Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some delicious grilled pork chops indoors. So it's been raining a lot lately and I just haven't had the opportunity to get outside and do any grilling. So we're going to be grilling indoors today and we're going to top it off with some delicious pineapple avocado salsa. So get ready. I got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Be patient with me. All right, Lord help me. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to show you the pork chops. I've already seasoned these pork chops. This is what they look like. I've already seasoned them with my own. You can just, whatever seasoning you prefer. I use a combination of soy sauce and soy sauce is on it. This has been marinating for a day in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So I'm getting ready to cook it. It smells so good already before I even cook it. But choose whatever seasonings you want to put on your pork chops. And then I'm also going to add some brown sugar. And then we're going to put these on the indoor grill. So let's get started. Okay, we have our grill. Our grill is hot. And so we're going to get ready. We're going to get started. So I'm going to, I'm not going to pour any oil on this grill. We're going to just get started with the pork chops and hopefully they won't stick. So I got my brown sugar on these pork chops on both sides. I added some, brown sugar. So we're just going to get started. You hear it sizzling? That means that this grill is hot. I'm going to leave it on there until I feel like it's done. It's going to have some nice little lines on it. So we're going to let this cook for about, 20 minutes, 25 minutes on one side and then flip it on the other side. We'll be back. Okay, I flipped these pork chops over. They don't have those lines on them that I really wanted, but it's okay because they look great. That brown sugar just added an extra glaze and crispiness to it. And these are going to be so delicious. And once I put that that avocado and pineapple salsa on there, it's going to look even better and taste even more better. So stay tuned, guys. We're still cooking. Okay, these pork chops are ready. I already took out 2 of them. Don't they look delicious? Oh my. My. Okay, so I'm going to take out these 2. I put 2 more. Oh yeah, look at that good grill look with the lines on it. Love it, love it, love it. This one. Yes. They're looking good. I put 2 more in there, so I'm just going to let those sit until those are ready. And we'll see what happens. We're going to plate it up in a few minutes. Okay, I wanted to show you guys a little trick. You see this pork chop right here that's puffing up? The way to keep it from puffing up is you lift it up, you cut where the fat line is. You just cut some little slits in it. And that'll help it keep it from puffing up. And then you can just flatten it out. See, I know I need to cut right up in here because this is where it's causing the... It's okay if your pork chop is not whole. Okay, now that's going to stop that from bunching up in the middle. I did it to all other pork chops as well. Just cut that fat. Cut through that fat line. See, now it's laying down flat. All right, that's a trick for you guys. Okay, so now we're getting ready to make our salsa. So the ingredients for the salsa calls for crushed pineapples, diced pineapples, I'm sorry, not crushed, diced pineapples, about 2 cups or 1.5 cups. And then we have our avocados diced, this is about 1 cup of avocados. Okay, and next we're going to add our diced cilantro. Put that in the bowl. I have another version of this recipe on my YouTube channel, but it's made with mangoes instead of pineapples. So you can substitute whatever you have handy in your house. All right, this is a 1/2 cup of tomatoes diced. And another 1/2 cup of red onions. Mix that in there. Okay, and then we're going to add some lime juice. You can use fresh lime or lime juice. It doesn't matter. Just do about, maybe a tablespoonful, okay? And then we're gonna mix this all together. Ooh, that looks so pretty. So pretty. With the green and all the different colors, red, yellow. All right, that looks beautiful. And there you have it. Pineapple salsa. All right, so we're gonna get ready to get our pork chop ready to be prepared to, I can't say it, spit it out, Ella. We're gonna get our pork chop and prepare it with the salsa and plate it out for you. And this is what you end up with, a delicious pork chop with pineapple salsa. Grilled pork chop with pineapple salsa. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.